Hi everyone, it's a beautiful Sunday. I'm just adjusting my camera. Yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday. It's been raining, but there was a rainbow just before. And I'm going to do this week's reading for, I've got a little bit of a different setup. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to do some tarot for the week, and it's going to be for, this is just a general reading. Just for the energies of the week, what's general energies, what we need to know. I'm going to use a few different decks. We've got the Wild Unknown, Rider-Waite, but Astrology Answers one. And we've got the Light Seers, and the Romance one is for the love reading, which I'll do next. But yeah, we'll just do a general. So it's just general. I have shuffled the cards, but I will just shuffle them a bit so you can see that I'm shuffling them. I hope you can see properly. It's just sort of, that may be better. I've got this pretty cool sort of gadget I'm trying out. I've just got to play with it a bit. I just wanted to be able to see the cards better. So yeah. Okay, so you know what we need to know. Put the cards out. Start up here. We've got 3 rows, and I will show you the cards that are out of your view. And we've got the Rider-Waite here. What we need to know in general this week. Hope you can hear me properly. I've got the heater on. It's freezing. Middle of winter in Australia. So yeah. Okay, going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. Oop. Third one. Hope everyone's well. Let's hope this rain ends. We had, like I said, we had a rainbow, so hopefully the rain might end for a little bit. I know we always need rain here, but wow, we've had some floods, I tell ya. So just gonna do these 3. Oh, that turns. Oh, okay, wow. A couple of the same cards, which is interesting. And we'll pull clarifiers as well. Okay, so the first row we've got is this row. This is more in the past position. So what's been happening with you. Right, we've got the Ace of Wands. Beautiful card. Yay, Ace of Wands. You've had a burst of energy. I mean, you can see on this card, it's just a big burst of energy lately. Had a burst of energy. You might have felt really a bit lethargic before, but now, you know, you've started something with a real fiery burst of energy. Could be you're getting back into your job after a long absence or something like that. So, yeah, burst of energy. Ace of Wands, good things have started. Sort of, aces are new starts and very good luck. Great. We've got the 4 of Pentacles. I mean, this reading looks quite good actually for new beginnings and things like that actually. 4 of Pentacles can go a couple of ways. 4 of Pentacles, you could be worrying about money, and bear in mind this is in the very recent past. So if you have been worrying about money and trying to save and trying to keep your money, well, if you've been saving and just trying to spend less, good, you're on the right path. But don't worry too much about it. Don't try and sort of don't be afraid to spend, but I'm not saying spend extravagantly. but at the same time, just watch, watch what you're doing. That's the message of the Four of Pentacles. Because if you try and hold on to something too hard, it's going to go. And then down here with the big deck, wow, Four of Pentacles again. Universe says, I meant what I said. So the thing with this is that, yeah, again, just, I did a reading. There is another reading on my channel. That's more for finance, career, money. And we got all the pentacles. We've got 3 pentacles, 4 pentacles come out, which is all, to do with money. Of course, money is a big thing in our lives. We need it for so many things. But it's just saying to not, worry about it too much. Thing is, like I said, you're on the right path if you've been saving and having a low spend year. Good. Keep at it. Can you hear the cockies in the background? Cockatoos. Because we've got the bush behind us. But it looks like it's good. This is a really good start. You're on the right path. You've just got to not let go of worries about money, because, with the next row here, leading on from these, like from the Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands is a new burst, beginning of energy, and maybe an offer coming in. Like, Wands is fiery energy and movement, a lot of movement. A lot of movement may be happening in your life to do with money. Instead of staying stagnant with money here, like with the Four of Wands, the money is going to start moving. And that's a good thing, because it could be investments, it could be buying things in a, how can I say it, in a good way, instead of just spending. Okay, so that's very interesting. Now we've got the 9 of Pentacles in the Wild Unknown deck. 9 of Pentacles is, wow, 9 of Pentacles is the wish card, wish fulfillment. So, after this burst of energy of the Ace of Wands, the world and the colours on these cards are very similar. We've got the red energy, the fire energy here, right? The real fire energy on the Ace of Wands, which is really good. We've gone to the 9 of Wands, which is everything you've wished for, wish fulfillment. Really good. It's similar to the 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles. Really good. More money. I mean, look at all those coins. Nest of coins. So your worries about money, I feel like, it's funny this is talking about money, but money is, as I said, an important part of life. This is a general reading, so things about money or love could come up, but this is good. This is a good sign. This is in the present, and after that burst of energy, it's pushing these problems away, sort of thing. The second one we've got, still in the present position, we've got the 6 of Pentacles. Again, Pentacles, money. Thing is, with the 6 of Pentacles, as you can see, he's giving to this person, but he's not giving to this person, right? Now, even Jesus said, I myself can do nothing. The person who, when he healed people, the people believed, he didn't see their sickness. The people believed that they could heal, and the people who felt that they deserved it healed. See, you feeling like you deserve is a big deal. And as well, giving to people who don't deserve it isn't a good idea, because these people have to learn for themselves. When you do for people what they can do for themselves, you're doing them a disservice, because they need to learn, like, they need to learn to make their own money, this certain person, okay? It might look mean, but the thing is that this person deserves it, you know, because they're trying to help themselves. Maybe this person isn't trying to help themselves. So it's a nice thing to be generous with your money, but watch it. Watch for those people that are just going to take, okay? Because they'll empty your pockets, right? You've got to be assertive and practice discernment, right? Because if you get a whole lot of money and everything, there's going to be people knocking at your door that you haven't seen for a while that will want money. So that happens. But yeah, you've got to learn to manage your money. And you know, even this could be like a metaphor for, you know, where you're spending your money. Like if you keep giving your money to the wrong thing, like say just buy 100 million clothes and shoes when you've got 100 million clothes and shoes already, you know, you're not giving to the right thing. But if you give to the right thing, that is, say, investments that are going to bring you money so that you can have a nest egg. Look at this. Feathers in a nest egg. This is probably what you've been trying to do, right? You've been trying to build your nest egg. There is another, it just came to me then, the nest egg. So if you're trying to build your nest egg, don't go giving your money to the wrong thing, okay? The next card is the King of Cups, who is calm in choppy waters here. He is sitting on his throne with his cup, looking serene and calm. This is a big message about money. Again, it's funny how things keep coming up about money, but this could be about partnerships as well, because King of Cups, he's a king, he has a queen or a jack or whoever it is, the kingdom, he's got partners, okay? So you want to have a good partner that is like the King of Cups, who will keep you calm in choppy waters and know what to do with your money. He could be your accountant, who knows? Could be your partner who is nice and calm, cool, calm and collected, and will help you build up that nest egg that we're talking about for your great retirement. So you're thinking about this week, you're probably thinking about your nest egg, maybe your super, something like that. Because with everything that's happening in the world, everything's a bit, so you got to be careful what you do, you know. So we're going to the future one now, and we've got Father of Wands, which is King of Wands. So we've got two kings here. Interesting. Pretty strong energy. King of Wands, of course, is the fire energy king. And usually on the other cards, it's a king on a throne, and he's got salamanders on his cloak, which means protection from fire, which means protection from loss, you know, maybe protection from money loss. Protection from money loss, because you've got that cool, calm and collected King of Cups helping you, and you've got the King of Wands who is protected. So this is a good sign. So whatever you're doing this week, it looks like you may be protected. I mean, that's no reason to go berserk with things, but it looks good for you that you're learning to balance and do the right thing for yourself and your family, which is good. King of Wands is a very good card to get in the future. It means, as I said, it means you're protected and you've got that drive. It's talking about that drive, that really, you know, you can go far. You've had the burst of energy of the Ace of Wands and maybe a new job come in, offer a new start, and you're building up your house, home. You might even be doing some renovations to make your home worth more or something, you know. But it looks good. It looks good in that respect. Father of Wands, King of Wands is a good card. Next one we've got is the Seven of Wands. A lot of wands here. A lot of fire energy, drive, which is really good because we need to move at the moment. We need to move in our best interests, whether it's career, love, whatever, general. We need to move. There's no more sitting about and thinking about what you want to do with your life or whatever. You know, you can. Sorry, I was checking the camera. Then I thought it wasn't recording. I'm thinking I'm talking to a blank phone. Yeah, no, you've got opportunities. You've got the upper hand. Yes, you've been through a lot of stuff, and you're up there. This guy's on the top of the mountain, and he's defending his position. Okay, so you have got the upper hand in some sort of situation. So make sure that you are doing it right, doing the right way, asking the right questions of authority figures, whoever it is that you need to know. Do things the right way, and you'll be right. You're on a high position, which is really good. Then we've got Three of Pentacles. Actually, wow, that's 5 Pentacle cards. Yes, is it? Yeah, wow. And this is teamwork. Teamwork, we've got these people admiring this guy's work. And the other thing is that you are getting noticed. Your work is getting noticed. And this comes back to this Ace of Wands, I feel. That you've had that burst of energy and you've been doing your work diligently and you're bringing work out into the open and people are seeing it and people are liking it, actually liking it. So this is leading to really good things for you. This is in the future. But what they're saying as well is this is also a teamwork card. We've got other people here that have got plans. This could be that new job that you've got with people giving you work because they value your work. Always value yourself and don't settle. So it's you're getting noticed. That's good, getting noticed. On the bottom of the deck, we've got Two of Cups. So for partnerships, looks favourable. Two of Cups, beautiful. You've got the rose and the cups. You might be celebrating, but it's usually partnerships going smoothly with the Two of Cups, which is really good because, you know, it all goes in with it. A lot of the arguments in partnerships are because of, wow, those cockies are so loud. The partnerships, a lot of arguments are over money, which here we're talking about everything. So the money's getting sorted, looks like, and so the partnerships are going a bit smoother. That's just on the bottom of the deck. The underlying, I don't always read it, but today I will. The Hermit, the other thing is you've been in the mode of, you've felt a bit alone with things and you're wondering, you know, and that actually goes in with this sorry, my hand must look really big there. With the Four of Pentacles. You know, you were wondering if it was just you by yourself having to work out the money thing. And you could have spent some time in contemplation as well, thinking about your next step, what you're going to do with your life, you know, with everything, just in general, you know. But the nice thing is that you've got that King of Cups there who's very calm, somebody coming in or somebody that's around you that is really nice and calm, and that's what you need. Or this, it could even be you after your contemplation and you've started meditating and everything. You've got this calmness of the King of Cups, and things aren't going to rattle you anymore. They may have rattled you in the past with the Four of Pentacles, and you've worried about money and or whatever else, your life. But now, you know, as well, you've got this, the Six of Pentacles, saying that there's plenty, you've got enough, there's plenty for you and everyone, right? So you maybe you're adopting this attitude of the King of Cups and knowing that, secure in the knowledge that everything is going to be okay, because you've gone inside for, you know, with the Hermit, you've gone into the cave and you thought, well, is this, you know, what am I going to do, sort of thing. Then the last one is the Justice card, which is finally, maybe finally you're getting justice for something. We don't know. I don't know what. You may be getting justice for somebody else, helping someone, telling your story might help somebody else. If you've been in a problem and you solve it and then you give the knowledge to somebody else, you've got a lot of knowledge. Or if you're going into any legal things or anything, it looks like it's going to be in your favour. Justice will be done. So all in all, it's good. Looks good this week. You're getting out of the worry of trying to hold on to your money and things like that, and or a relationship is, yeah, going to go well. Things are going to go well. There's plenty for everyone. You've got the upper hand in what you're doing. So, and teamwork. Teamwork would be good. You're getting noticed, so it could be someone coming in who wants to work with you or something interesting. So I'm going to do some dice, and I usually just close my eyes and just pick 3 dice. Okay, now what do we got? Oh, okay, look, we've got you. It's a girl though. We've got a person. Doesn't matter whether you're male or female. We've got, it's all, I think what I feel like is the focus is on yourself and what you're doing this week. Figure out what you're doing. Figure out, you know, what you need to do, what your next step is. Contemplate. I really feel like contemplate is the, like with the Hermit. So focus on go within. Go within this week, I think. Figure out what your next step is. Because the thing is that things around you are quite smooth. That's what I feel like in the general. Things are pretty smooth. You've got the upper hand. And if you keep on this road that you're on, I think you're on the right path. If you keep on this road and don't get caught up in worry and in your head, you'll be good. Focus on your on you and your self-care, because it's always important. I always stress it every time, because we've got the second dice and it's an arrow, right? So at the moment, this is present. At the moment, you're being pulled back like an arrow. I've got the bow and arrow, but I feel like you're being, with that burst of energy from the Ace of Wands, you feel like you're being pulled back and ready to go. Like, that's it. You're going to go. And guess what? I just threw that, and look, the direction, the arrow, that was on top. Oh my God, you can't make this stuff up. That was amazing. Yeah, you're being pulled in the right direction. You're going in the right direction. It's good. And the last one is a lightning bolt, which actually I don't know why I keep being drawn to this Ace of Wands. The Ace of Wands, the burst of energy, the new, right? Something you may have some brilliant idea that is going to propel you into your next phase, and in a good way. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, I think lightning bolt moment. Yeah, light bulb moment. I mean, look at this card. I can't take my eyes off it. I've referred to it like 4 times. Yeah, lightning bolt. Lightning bulb moment. You're really gonna have that idea, that realization that you've been pushed in the right direction. So just trust. Anyway, I hope you've liked this reading. It's been a ride, bit noisy with the cockatoos. They do this every afternoon. So I'm out in the kitchen today. Different. Just thought I'd have a different setting, trying out a different setup. But yeah, wow. Okay, thanks for being here and many blessings.